Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I'm Shmail Amreen, your Pakistani studies teacher. I hope you all are fine and having safe time at home by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today we are going to discuss about the establishment of All India Muslim League. The SLO 2.1.3 describes the aims and objective of All India Muslim League in 1906. It was founded there. Establishment, aims and objective, reaction of the Hindus and British as well as, and what was the importance of All India Muslim League. So here we are going to discuss about the establishment. The establishment behind the reason behind the establishment of All India Muslim League led the different events which we have discussed before it, the Bengal partition, then Shimla deputation, the harsh behavior of Congress leaders, especially the Hindu leaders on the partition of Bengal. Now, at different time period, the Muslim leaders realized now it's time to formulate their own political party to directly discuss their problems need with the British government, because they realize the Muslim totally realize now it's a time to cooperate with the British government to to take benefit from the government, because Muslim community were facing so much trouble in India. So the Muslim leaders met in Dhaka on the occasion of Mohammedan Education Conference. Achha, this educational conference was led by the Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was a leader of India, who presented the two nation theory, and he also worked for the educational sector of Muslims. Now the Muslim leaders met after in Dhaka. At that time, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan died. So Muslim leader announced their own political organization and they founded All India Muslim League on 30th December 1906 in Dhaka. And this is a city where the political party was formulated. What was the aims behind it? Because Hindu had gained their control on Congress, because we have discussed before it, Congress became the Hindu majority political party. So they work for the interests of the Hindus, development for the Hindus in many areas of India. And also Muslim faced outrage, unfriendly behavior, harsh behavior from Congress on the partition of Bengal, because it gave the benefit to the Muslim. Now the Muslim leaders realized they had their own political party to discuss their needs, demands with the British government directly. So what was the objective behind it? To protect and advance the political rights and interests of the Muslims in India. मुसलमानों के सियासी हुकूक या सियासत पे बात करने के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए? एक पॉलिटिकल पार्टी चाहिए ताकि वो उनके हुकूक के तहफ़्फ़ुज़ कर सके. Now to represent Muslim needs and aspiration to the government of India, directly हम उससे बात करेंगे इंडियन गवर्नमेंट से, ताकि वो हमारे लिए काम कर सके. To promote feeling of loyalty to the British government, yes, we want to loyal with the British community and British cooperate with the other nations of India as well as the other communities of India as well as. हम सबके साथ मिलके काम करना चाहते हैं ताकि हम अपने आप को भी, यानी मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी अपने आप को भी और दूसरी कम्युनिटीज अपने आप को भी डेवलप कर सकें. What was the reaction of British government? British government was happy on the formation of All India Muslim League because it was led by the landlords. No doubt कि Indian All India Muslim League became the elite class, became the political parties of elite class of the Muslim. Elite class कहते हैं बहुत अमीर लोगों को. तो इनिशियली और काफी अरसे तक जो थी वो ऑल इंडिया मुस्लिम लीग जो थी वो क्या थी, वो किसके हाथों में थी? वो मुसलमानों के उन लोगों के हाथों में थी जो वो बहुत ज्यादा अमीर थे. तो ब्रिटिश उनके साथ काम करने पे, उनके साथ कॉपरेट करने में खुश होते थे. So after gradually it became the common political party for the Muslim. Now the British viewed that the league could help to counter the Hindu protest in Bengal. हाँ, somehow Bengal में जो Hindu protest था against the partition of Bengal, वो किसी हद तक कम हो सकता है. उनकी जो तवज्जो थी वो ऑल इंडिया मुस्लिम लीग तक हो सकती थी. So reaction of the Congress leader claimed that the British were behind the establishment of Muslim League. उनका मानना ये था जी, कांग्रेस वालों का, कि जी ब्रिटिश जो थे वो इस पॉलिटिकल पार्टी के बिहाइंड में थे. जैसे ऑल इंडिया मुस्लिम लीग जो थी वो मुसलमानों की पॉलिटिकल पार्टी बनाई गई है, तो इसका मतलब ये है कि वो हिंदुओं को तोड़ना चाहते हैं, हिंदुओं के लिए काम नहीं करना चाहते. especially the British government. So, what was the importance of All India Muslim League? It became the Muslim political party as well as work for the establishment of a separate Muslim state, that is Pakistan, and it united the Muslim of India on one platform. ग्रेजुअली शुरू में तो इसका इतना रोल नहीं रहा ऑल इंडिया मुस्लिम लीग का. ग्रेजुअली आहिस्ता आहिस्ता मुसलमानों ने इस पे कॉन्फिडेंस किया और फिर इसमें पार्टिसिपेट किया और इसका हिस्सा बने. दे बिकेम द member of All India Muslim League and then it work for the interest of the Muslim. Gradually आगे जो events आएंगे उसमें हम पढ़ेंगे कि how the Muslim League work for the interest of the Muslims and how they work for the establishment of separate Muslim homeland. The role of Muslim League was very much strong after 1940. 1940 के बाद जो है हमें मुस्लिम लीग का जो रोल है वो बड़ा जबरदस्त मिलता है, स्ट्रॉन्ग मिलता है कि विद इन 7 years we got the Muslim area, the Muslim separate state, that is Pakistan. I hope you understand the lesson. And before attempting the MCQs and question answer which we have shared on KP, so kindly read the book for reference and attempt the questions from that. Allah Hafiz, stay blessed.